Imagine holding a piece of technology so advanced that it doesn't just play audio. It actively alters your perception of reality. For years, wireless earbuds have followed a predictable path. A slight bump in battery life, a subtle tweak to the design, a modest improvement in noise cancellation, and a new box. We became accustomed to incremental updates, accepting that true innovation in personal audio had reached a plateau. But right now, Apple is about to shatter that complacency and completely redefine what is physically possible inside your ears. This is the dawn of the Apple AirPods Pro 4. This isn't a minor refresh. This is a total ground-up reinvention of personal, wearable audio. If you think you've heard a great sound, or if you think you know what true silence feels like, you are completely unprepared for what these earbuds are about to do. Apple has poured years of secretive acoustic research, custom silicon engineering, and advanced biological computing into a device that fits seamlessly in the palm of your hand, and the results are nothing short of breathtaking. To understand the sheer magnitude of what the AirPods Pro 4 brings to the table, you have to look past the elegant polished exterior and dive into the neurological and acoustic revolution happening within the hardware. At the absolute core of this breakthrough is Apple's brand new, proprietary custom audio engine, a hyper-advanced processing chip that operates at a scale never before seen in consumer tech. Traditional earbuds take an audio signal from your phone, apply a generic equalizer profile, and pump it through a basic driver. The AirPods Pro 4 completely threw out that outdated playbook. The internal silicon calculates environmental acoustics, ear canal shape, and real-time seal pressure at an astonishing rate of tens of millions of times per second. It creates a constantly evolving, hyper-personalized sound profile tailored precisely to your unique biological anatomy. When you put these in, you aren't just listening to a track. You are experiencing a live, mathematically flawless acoustic performance engineered specifically for your ears. But where this machine truly begins to border on science fiction is its supernatural ability to manipulate the world around you through its revolutionary active noise cancellation matrix. We have all experienced standard noise cancellation. It dulls the hum of an airplane engine or dampens the low rumble of traffic. But the AirPods Pro 4 introduces a level of absolute isolation that feels like stepping into a soundproof sensory deprivation chamber. Apple has deployed an array of ultra-sensitive, high-dynamic range acoustic sensors that capture external frequencies before they even come close to your ear. The internal processor immediately generates an inverted, anti-noise algorithm that completely annihilates outside sound waves with surgical precision. The screaming engine of a jet, the chaotic roar of a crowded New York subway station, the loud chatter of an open office, all of it vanishes instantly into a void of pure, unadulterated silence. It doesn't just lower the volume of the world, it completely deletes it, leaving you alone with your thoughts and your music. Yet, absolute silence is only half the battle. The true genius of the AirPods Pro 4 lies in how they intuitively bridge the gap between your digital world and your physical reality through a completely overhauled contextual awareness mode. Traditional transparency modes often sound robotic, tinny, and disorienting, making it incredibly difficult to judge distances or locate where a sound is actually coming from. Apple has completely solved this by utilizing advanced binaural audio modeling. The AirPods Pro 4